Hello, welcome to my new class 5 mathematics. Yesterday I was discussed about activity 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 already discussed, finished. Next, we'll start activity 4. Before starting activity 4, we have to know about successor and predecessor. Ascending order, descending order, comparing between the numbers, etc. So because successor, predecessor, etc. we have to discuss in the activity 4. So before starting activity 4, we have to know what is successor and what is predecessor. The successor and predecessor is, suppose for 981, successor is 981 plus 1 equal to 982. For 105, 105 plus 1 equal to 106. So 106 is a successor of 105. For 560, for 560 successor is 561. For 497 successor is 498, and same thing predecessor is the opposite thing as well of the successor. For 981 predecessor is 980 because minus 1. For 105 predecessor is 104. For 560 predecessor is 560 minus 1, 559. For 497 predecessor is 496. And ascending order and descending order 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So ascending order means smaller to bigger. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And descending order means bigger to smaller, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50. Okay. Next is activity 4. Activity 4, write the predecessor and successor of following numbers. Number 1, A, 7,861,70. Predecessor and successor both are asking. Predecessor is before 1. So 7,861,70 minus 1 equal to 7,861,69. Successor is 7,861,70 plus 1 equal to 7,861,071. Next, number D is 91 crore 81 lakh 87,991. Predecessor is 91 crore 81 lakh 87,991 minus 1 equal to 99 crore 81 lakh 87,998. Next, successor is 91 crore 81 lakh 87,997 plus 1 equal to 91 crore 81 lakh 88,000. So next is number 2. Number 2 is asking compare each of the following pairs by using greater than, smaller than, and equal. So we can see the number 1 A, 3, 7, 5, 4, 1, 2, and in the boxes 3, 5, 7, 4, 1, 2. Here, if you see the 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakhs. Lakhs position is 3, 3. 10,000 position is 7, 5. So 7 is bigger. So this number is bigger. Whole number will be bigger. Next, number C, 1,756,215 and 1,756,315. So 1,756,756 here, 215 here, 315. 315 is bigger. Next, number 3, arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. In ascending order, I will do A, B and D. Number B, question is 5903563, comma 5093563, comma 5390, comma 563, comma 503953. Okay, so which one is bigger, which one is smaller? So arranging in ascending order is the smaller one. Which one is smaller? See, first count the digits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 digits. And here million digit is 5555. Here 100,000 digit is 9030. So now see 00. So 10,000 digit is 93. So this one is smaller. 5,039, 563. Then 5093561. Then 5 here 3 yes 5, 390 563, 5903 6563. So this is the answer. Check your answer is right or wrong. Number 3, B. Yes, this is the answer. Next, number D. B and D, A and C you have to do. 98 345 120, 89 345 120, 89 435 120, 98 543 120. So arranging in ascending order. Arranging in ascending order is, so see, count first the digits. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 digits all of have. Now see which one is the smallest. Smallest one is now 98, 89, 89, 98. So 89, 89, okay. 345, 435. 345 is the smaller. 89, 345, 120. Then 89, 435, 120. Then 98, 98, 345, 345. 98, 345 120, 98, 543 120. So this is the answer. So this is the arranging ascending order. Okay. 89,345,120, 89,435,120, 98,345,120, 98,543,120. So this is the answer. So I hope all of you understand this question. Next, number 4. Number 4 is descending order. It's very easy. Descending order. Descending order, I will do 1. Number C, I will do 1 1 2 8 3 5 9 8 9, 1 2 2 8 3 5 9 8 9, 1 1 8 2 3 5, very big number, and comma 12 28 5 3 9 8 9. So arranging in descending order. So which one is the bigger? So bigger to smaller. 4C. 12 28 53 9 8 9. Then 12 28 35 9 8 9. Then 11 82 35 9 8 9. Then 11 28 35 9 8 9. So this is the answer. So I hope all of you understand. We will meet in next class. Thank you.